last thing that I'd like to show you, which I think is a really good little game that everyone should have a go at making, is this target practice, which is really simple. All you need to use is a target block, which is this, a comparator, a line of redstone, and some redstone lamps again. So what happens, and I'll give you a quick demonstration of how bad I am at firing arrows, is you aim, you take fire, and as you can see, oh, I got a full score there. So what happens is you chuck your arrow at the target block, and dependent on how close to the bullseye you get, that will output a pulse signal to the comparator, which will then light up the redstone lamps, just as we did before with the item frame, but this time we're just using a target block. So if I fire it really badly, so right up in this corner, if I can get to it, I only get a score of about 4. So obviously the more lamps you light up, the bigger the pulse output, which means that you're closer to the centre. So that's a really fun little game to try. So that's pretty much it for this Minecraft video about redstone. I hope you enjoyed it. Give the builds a try for yourself and see how you get on. And thank you for watching.